Thank you very much for installing my responsive tabs with WooCommerce Custom Product Tabs plugin. It's totally easy. First, select your template from my tabs templates list. There have several templates, almost 20 plus included. I select Style 1 for demo content, click into Create Style button. Giving the shortcode name into pop-up form. As I press the Save button, it's creating my tabs data. After a couple of seconds it will redirect into shortcode editing page. My tabs are ready to use with demo content. At first, I will add new tabs into my demo tabs. Go into Tabs Data section and click for New Tabs form. Giving the tabs title, as I write heading title. There has some additional components with heading, like you can add subtitle beside heading. I also add heading additional as like icon, number or image. Those will show beside title. Like top of title or before the title, it's depend on you, as you can customize from editing panel. For example, I add Twitter icon as additional heading components. I also add a couple of options for tabs content, like content, custom link, popular post, recent comment or post tag, while I will add more options into newer versions in future. Now I will add some demo text at text editor. After submitted form you will get confirmation and your new tabs data will add into my tabs. You can edit any tabs content from Edit button. Click into the Edit button and editing's form will show to edit content. For example, I will edit heading additions icons. After complete editing, click into Submit button and new data will show into preview mode. You can delete current tabs content from Delete button. Just click into Delete button and content will delete successfully. I add maximum customization panel, as you can customize your tabs as you want. Also, add responsive mode checker as you set properly with multiple devices. There have also tab rearrange options into my editing panel. Just click into tab rearrange and rearrange tabs with drag and drop mode. After complete my tabs editing, it's ready to use. Copy the shortcode and use into your page or post with shortcode. Hope you can use it properly. Thank you very much to watching my videos.